Hi, welcome to the Remote Experimentation Laboratory of the Universidad Estatal a Distancia. Today, you are going to have the opportunity to evaluate the texture of fruits in different stages of maturation. The texture is a determining characteristic of quality and consumer acceptance of processed food, fruits, and vegetables. This property in fruits is evaluated based on rheological studies that are based on physical characteristics such as viscosity, thickness, stiffness, and hardness. For climacteric fruits, these variables change during the ripening process and storage, affecting their shelf life. A texture analyzer is capable of measuring physical characteristics of fruits and vegetables in different stages of maturation, in processed food, in cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and industrial materials. Some of these physical characteristics measured are hardness, fracture, adhesiveness, resistance, and extensibility. In addition, the texture analyzer allows to measure and quantify fundamental tests of compression, tension, and firmness. The equipment consists in a robotic arm that regulates the force applied to the sample. A specific probe is attached to this arm according to the rheological property to be evaluated. Additionally, it has a sample holder platform in which the interaction of the probe with the sample takes place to obtain an analytical signal, expressed as a penetration force curve or compression deformation force curve, for a predefined travel distance per unit of time. In this experiment, the equipment uses two types of probes, a penetration or puncture probe and a compression probe. The first one consists of a 2 to 8 mm diameter stainless steel cylinder that measures the maximum force or elasticity limit of the fruit skin and firmness of the fruit pulp. In the other hand, the compression probe or cylindrical probe measures the response to the deformation of the fruit expressed as the radio of the deformation force with respect to the diameter of the fruit. The main physical variables that are considered for the parameterization and realization of a measurement with texture analyzer are the distance of the path of the probe-sample interaction and the speed at which the robotic arm moves. In the selection of the samples of tomatoes and bananas for the tests with the texture analyzer, a color guide of maturation of the fruit skin was used. In the case of the tomato, the colors were green, green-yellow, orange, and red. Finally, for bananas, the colors were green, green-yellow, yellow, yellow with brown spots, and yellow-brown. Remember to download the document at the end of this experiment. The document has an example of calculation and more information to guide your better understanding of this experience. Remember to explore the content offered by the university's Remote Experimentation Laboratory, as well as other content developed by Labsland.